morning and happy Monday, everybody. I just stopped by to show you my little small Azure haul, and these are things that I have not been able to find in the grocery store for some reason, like the cane sugar and the baby lima beans. I mean, you would think that you would find those all over the place, but not. No. And I also ordered some black beans, and I got a case of those, and with 2 cans I made some chili, black beans chili, and it was super good. And you remember a couple months ago, or maybe, yeah, a couple months ago when we did the sausage project, and I had all that ground brisket. Had some in the freezer, and I made me some taco meat with it, and then I also made 4 containers of the black beans chili, and I'm going to put these in the freezer. Well, that one I'm going to eat today, but the other one, this is my second one. I had one over the weekend, and I have this one. I'm going to have this for dinner tonight, and these are going back in the freezer. Okay, the baby lima beans came in a 5-pound bag, and the only reason why I didn't get a bigger bag is because I don't have a lot of extra storage at this point, but I will in about a month or so, and then I will get another container for my storage area and put my beans in a storage container all by itself. Oh, until then, I just put them in quart-sized jars, except for that one 16-ounce jar. Then I did the vacuum seal thing. Where I put the little attachment on my vacuum sealer and sealed up all my jars, and that's where they're going to stay until I can get another storage container. And then the cane sugar also came in a 5-pound bag, and I know one thing, I will be ordering this by a 25-pound bag because I use a lot of cane sugar when I'm baking. And this little find here, this was a recommendation from my sister friend Barbara over at A Gardener's Journey, and she is down in Tennessee, Zone 7B, has a beautiful homestead down there. Oh, I love her I am so obsessed with her high tunnel. And I will put her link in the description box so you guys can check out that high tunnel. It is something else. But she, I asked her had she ordered any honey from Azure, because I know she does a lot of Azure hauls and stuff. So she said that she did, and so I couldn't decide which one I wanted, so I ordered one of each. Between the cane sugar and the raw organic honey, that's going to be my alternative for my sweetener when I'm making jams and jellies and bread and stuff. And I also ordered some molasses. That came in a 32-ounce jug, and I use a lot of molasses as well. So you know, these are things that I mean, I could find molasses in the store, but it comes in a little tiny jar, probably for the same amount of money as I paid for this 32-ounce jar. So sometimes it helps to buy things in larger quantities, and that's what I will be doing from this point forward. So I'm happy with my little Azure haul for now, and I'm sure I'll be ordering lots more stuff. And those black beans are absolutely delicious. And they're so good in that chili. I might even make me some nachos tonight. Oh, yeah, didn't that sound good? Okay, let me get this stuff put up, and then I have one other project that I'm going to do today, and that's juicing my lemons. All right, I got my lemons all peeled up, and I don't do a whole lot on Sunday, so I just sat down at the table and zested all of my lemons that I'm going to be juicing today. And I kept the lemon zest, and some of it I made into lemon zest, some of it I just cut up into the peel in slices like this, because I saw a orange marmalade recipe in my new preserving book, and it called for lemon peels. So I have quite a few with lemon peels, and then I have some with zest. Now I already have some in the freezer, another container full of lemon zest in the freezer, so I'll add all these to it. Before I juice my fruit like oranges, I always zest it, because I'm always running across recipes, and I have lots of recipes that calls for either orange zest or lemon zest. So this is one way to do it. So let's juice these bad boys up. And I'm gonna put my lemon juice in these jars here. I had them on the other side of the counter, and somebody asked me in one of my videos, "What's Miss J? What are you doing with all them empty jars up there? Is that for wine?" It's like, no. This is when I juice my when I make my juice and my smoothies. I put it in these 16-ounce jars, and that way I can put them in the fridge, and they're already ready to go. Let's get started on this juicing project. And then this is all I have going for today. There's my lemon juice. And I don't mind the pulp. I mean, you know, the foam. The foam is good. I like it. So I always keep it in there. I'm just going to pour this in my jars. Oop. This way I always have fresh lemon juice in my fridge. And all that lemon pulp that's in there, I will put that in my, what do you call it? My composter. Waste not, want not. Use everything. And I won't use this to cook with because this has most of that white pith from the lemons in here. And it's kind of bitter. And I don't want that in anything that I don't use that normally. And this comes out just like that. Okay, I'm not going to make you guys sit here and watch me wash dishes. I am going to wash my juicer attachments in warm soapy water and rinse it off real good. And rather than drying it, I'm going to leave it on the countertop and let it air dry overnight. That way I'll know that it's nice and dry before I put it all back together again. And if you are new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. And if you hit that subscribe button, welcome to the family. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and share my link with everybody you know in the universe. And the ordering link for this wonderful juicer will be in the description box. And I tell you what, you will absolutely love it. There is nothing better than fresh squeezed organic lemon juice, orange juice, grapefruit juice. I've juiced tomatoes before, and you talking about taking a Bloody Mary to a whole new level. Try making it with some home squeezed tomato juice, and I always spice it up, and it's nice and tasty, and next level. Thanks again for stopping by. Be blessed, keep on cooking, and keep on juicing.